Hey, what's up everyone? I just received this standing desk from the brand to try out, and it was super simple to assemble, maybe 10 to 15 minutes in total. The instructions fit on a single piece of paper. Now, what I really love about this desk is that it is very mobile. You can move it exactly where you want in the room, and it's adjustable. There's 5 different heights that you can choose from, so it'll accommodate a lot for a lot of people and different heights. And I like also that there is a safety mechanism for the casters where you can lock it in place so that it doesn't move when you don't want it to move. I also like that there is a little storage space for pens and pencils right on the top of the desk so that doesn't roll off as you're working. Overall, with this space, it's about, I would say 30 inches by 14 inches maybe. I'm not exactly sure for the measurements, so double check there. But it is more than enough space for a laptop, your mouse pad, and maybe like a notepad. Overall, this is a perfect thing if you're looking for mobility while working on the go and being able to stand at your desk rather than sitting down. This would be great for people who might have certain back problems from sitting too long, or this would be also great if you're like doing other chores and you just want to get some work done on the go. But thank you for the brand for sending out this sample, and I hope you all have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.